The ultra high efficiency series of products, the EF series, ranges from 60 gallons to 100 gallons in capacity. And BTU ratings goes from 125,000 all the way up to 399,000. We call it a 400,000 model. The requirements for the installation are going to be very similar in all of the products. Line voltage, 120 volts is going to be required, and our gas pressures, 4.5 inches of inlet pressure, and could go as high as 14 inches of inlet pressure, and those are static pressures before the appliance is turned on. Like with all of the water heaters, sequence of operation is going to be extremely critical. Understand what should happen first, then second, and so forth. Call for heat. If we got a call for heat and the thermostat circuit tells our ignition control, let's turn the fan on. At that time, our fan, the blower in this case, will turn on while the control module monitors two safety circuits. The safeties are located on the bottom of the water heater. One is a normally closed pressure switch. The other is going to be a normally closed temperature switch. It's a vent safety switch. Very key to understand those limits are normally closed and they don't open and close. That means they're more reliable and are only going to come into play if there's a problem. So our safeties have been satisfied, our fan is in operation, and there's the 30-second pre-purge. So the fan is running, blowing the exhaust through the combustion chamber system. After 30 seconds, we're going to turn on the gas flow at the same time that we're going to spark directly to the burner. Direct spark ignition, we have a remote flame sensor that will monitor the system looking for fire when it actually does light. Our trial is 3 trials for ignition. If it's not successful, it'll continue to try each time until it does recognize fire. Once we're up and running, we're going to monitor the thermostat circuit, temperature safety circuit, as well as the normally closed vent pressure switch. If any of those safeties or those circuits tell the system shut off, burner turns off, and then the exhaust system is going to continue blowing for 30 seconds. That same post-purge will occur when the thermostat reaches its set point. Okay, so at the end of a heating cycle or when the safeties tell the system to shut off, you're going to see a 30-second post-purge and the system will be waiting for another call for heat.